Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Darius Collier, aka Mr.generalmotors. I got something real nice for you guys today. Got another convertible that's just coming out the shop here, Little Shop of Hotrods. They go my boy Joey. Joey been touching up the last little final pieces on the car. Ooh, y'all see that thing? Ooh, that 75 sitting right. So we're gonna show you a little bit on this car. Probably talk about a couple things that were done to it. But y'all see it. Ooh. 75 Vert. Yes, sir.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now, so I need that go, y'all. Got hits when they throwin' the fastball. Just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they effort, this piss poor. I got too much I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money stabbing, I'm 10-2. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip. Got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues. Told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, told him I'ma hit it out the stands. I deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100 fans. Told them this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told them put a check up in my hands. Boy got time, no cap. Made a few checks but they all in the raps. Had a few friends but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in black. Shawty wanna ride till the hop in the back. 0 to 100 seen the rev on the dash. They ain't catching up, dog, I'm moving too fast. I'm in the big leagues. Told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in a big.
Take this bad boy for a little spin. Alright, so we're gonna take this bad boy for a quick spin. Don't life. Let me go ahead and put my shades on. Ride pretty smooth though.
Yeah, right good, huh?
So y'all know in Miami, having a Donk is kind of like a must. So when you got a Donk, you kind of making a statement. what type of suspension it has?
QA1, and then it's got Viking coilovers in the rear.
Viking coilovers in the rear. QA1.
Double adjustable front and back.
I'm here with my boy Freddie at Little Shop of Hot Rods. He had to fix up a 1975 convertible. You know we're in Miami, so you know this the Donk capital. So I'm here with Freddie right now, and I want you to let me know exactly what it was that you did to this car.
This car came into us with a bad motor. It's got a big block 454 in it. Basically, it was set up as a race car for the street at 13.5 compression. It wasn't really a feasible street car. We brought the compression down a little bit, rebuilt the motor, put a new cam in it, give it a nice little Miami chop, as these cars like to have. We did fuel inject the car, so it makes it a lot more comfortable to ride now. Put a brand new fuel tank in it, and we also added a 4L80 overdrive transmission. So now the car can get up and go on the highway, and you can run 80 miles an hour in that average. We also matched up the brakes. It had a different set of brakes in the front. We put a big set of pair of brakes in it. It's got Global West suspension with Viking coilovers. The car doesn't have that big car float anymore. It actually rides like a sports car.
Yeah.
And then cleaned up a couple of things on the interior, like the top wasn't working properly, you know, little things like that. Little small details like
little bits and pieces. So, big brakes is a must when you got these cars and you put in big motors in them. I know some of y'all are trying to make shortcuts, but you gotta put the big boy brakes. Those are 6 pistons in the front.
Those are 6 pistons in the front.
And in the rear?
4 pistons in the rear.
6 piston, 4 piston in the rear. And then what do we do to suspension?
Suspension-wise, we did Global West upper and lower control arms. In the rear, we did Global West upper and lower trailing arms, and Viking coilovers all the way around. Double adjustable Viking coilovers.
Yeah, so I did take a spin over with Joey as he was doing the test drive. It actually drove pretty well. It was pretty smooth. It wasn't floaty like a Cadillac. It was like pretty firm. So it drove really good on the 2060. So like I said, that is a must. When you're putting together these cars, you gotta change the brakes. You gotta do a little upgrade to the suspension, or it's just pretty much, it's not worth it. Let me show you guys in the inside. As you see, it is a nice bright red. It's a custom interior. I actually like the interior. A lot of the builds that I see that they do custom interiors, it's a little over the top, but it looked like they really took time on the interior, so I could tell it was done really nicely. You even got cup holders in the back seat, you know, in case you guys get a little thirsty. Has the nice interior with the music, AC. It has a nice digital dash, the new VHX analog, sorry. AC works, music works, everything works on this car, man. Real nice car. Let's show you those 4 pistons in the back with the rotors. You gotta get the rotors, man. There, guys, so there you have it. Thanks for watching this video. That's the 1975 convertible, the Vert. You already know, Donk, exactly however you want to call it, lowrider, whatever you want to call it. Here in Miami, we call it a Donk. 1971 through 1976, Caprice Impalas, and this happens to be a 75. Once again, I'm here with my boy Freddie from Little Shop of Hot Rods. Thank you very much, Papa.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for showing me this ride. This one's done. It's going to be out of there. It's your boy Darius Collier, a.k.a. Mr.generalmotors, signing off. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Peace.
Where you from?
Started as an East Coast vibe, now I'm going worldwide. We got this bitch going crazy. I used to take the Mazda for a drive, now I'm on the 405 like it's fuck you, pay me. We really sick of standing outside, and to push them all aside is what you get for trying to play me. I bet they make a movie when I die just to talk about my life. They need an actor to portray me. I got this motherfucker clear like an eye drop. I got elevator flow on a high top. I got little something stacked like an IHOP. This is 05, you will put it on your iPod. I'ma give you something that you can't forget. Put the price up, baby, add the tax a bit. Know you saw the comma.